So first of all, what is a VPN? You've probably seen a lot of ads for VPNs. Surfshark VPN is one of many. The VPN stands for a virtual private network. It advertises as a private web, but it's not exactly that, and I'm going to show you why. Say you're walking into Lowe's to get the latest issue of Martha Stewart Living magazine, and you want to check your bank account to make sure you got enough money for a magazine and a Coke. So you join Lowe's Guest Wi-Fi because it's free, right? And it says right under it, unsecured network. But what does that mean, unsecured network? What that means is that any information that you transmit from your phone out to the internet and back, it's on basically channels that aren't secure. What that means is it's, in some sense more vulnerable to hackers. So if you're going to transmit your phone number or any of your bank information, it might be visible to more people than something that was, say, on a VPN. So the idea of the product is you put the VPN on all your devices and you connect up to the VPN. And once you connect through the VPN, it forms a tunnel between you and part of the internet. Now let me explain that. The tunnel is between you and the Surfshark servers. Once it leaves the Surfshark servers to go to your destination, example, if your bank is bankofamerica.com, once it leaves there, you can't guarantee that it's on the VPN anymore. So the VPN, when you get it, it's basically going to get installed on your phone, and you're going to have to open it up and activate it so that it takes the outgoing and incoming traffic, and instead of routing it directly to an endpoint, it's going to route it to Surfshark's VPN servers securely through that tunnel I showed you earlier. Once it leaves that tunnel, though, that's where it gets dicey, and that's where it's more or less open to whatever standards are on the internet from that point to your endpoint. So that's why I think it's kind of mixed use. It's not really as solid as it sounds like it is for protecting your traffic on the internet. So once you install the client on your devices and you create your account, choose a password and log in, presented here with a choice of which subscription you want. Now there is a free trial, so you're not going to pay this amount right away, but these are some of the choices, and I just picked the default one because I'm going to cancel it before the end. Another really notable feature of a VPN that people really get use out of is that you can connect to an endpoint in another country. So when cookies and browsers and other things track your location, it'll look like you're coming from another country, which is really, really useful because it throws off digital trails and it throws off people's ability to pinpoint where you are at any point in time. That to me is almost more important of a feature than the ability to encrypt traffic as it leaves and comes back to your phone, since it's not a complete encryption. So I'm going to go ahead and connect a location here in the United States and just connect to that. And you can see once I do, I get a VPN IP address, which is different than my actual, and you can see that I'm online. Another financial reason you might want to hide your location is when you go to an airline site and you say you want to fly out of your home city, in this case it's choosing Dallas, Texas, what happens is it's going to give you flights based on the fact that it thinks you are a local resident and you have no other options. So it's going to give you prices based on that. If you change it to, say, another country or another city, you might get different prices. You might get lower prices because you're an out-of-towner who may come to Dallas to use that service. So that's something to test out and keep in mind. But once you're connected, you're protected, and your location is obfuscated. Those are the two biggest reasons why I think people like the VPN clients. But like I said, the definition of protection really doesn't go deep enough for me. But I do like the feature where your location is obfuscated because that really has a lot of benefits to your digital trail. If you like this video, please think about giving a thumbs up or hit the bell button to be notified when new ones come out, and definitely share with anybody else you might think is interested. Thank you for watching.